Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 4 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on our phone Oppo Reno 4 Pro. First of all, switch off our phone. Just long press the power button and from the white circle swipe down like this, and yes, your phone is switched off. Now you have to use power button and volume down button to initiate hard reset. Press together power button and volume down button. Press and hold these two buttons. Wait few seconds and release. Now click on English. Here select wipe data, third option. Now you have to give your pattern for authentication. Now click on format data, second option, and click OK. And wiping data is going on. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it's done successfully. Now your phone will be restarted automatically. You have to wait from few seconds to few minutes. Yes, setup has come, and here you can set up your phone. Select your language and follow the on-screen instructions. Accept terms of service. You can connect to Wi-Fi here, otherwise you can skip this step. You can set it offline. Accept Google services. Click later. Click next. And yes, click get started. Yes, your phone is set up now and you can use your phone now. So in this way you can easily do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone Oppo Reno 4 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.